On a capsize, your diaphragm's going to contract and you're going to gulp water. No matter who you are, how tough you are, you're still going to gulp water.
Yes! Down to the river, going kayaking, canoeing today. You're with Owen. You're with Owen.
Did you skate down there?
Absolutely. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I'm excited to die. I'm excited. You guys know
Water here with each other.
Anybody forget a water?
No, I got water. Oh yeah. I can't believe I'm actually in the Hoover Dam.
Bridget, take those 2 paddles for Max. Alright, a little bit of...
Austin saved the day.
Thank you, sir. Okay, yeah, that was disastrous.
Is that warm? Oh, yeah. How you doing, man? Good. Good, awesome. Max, you doing good, buddy?
I'm good.
Awesome. Max, other Max?
You may not see anybody.
Ryan.
No.
My socks are
Ezra. Oh, no, that's not Ezra. That's Dylan. There's Ezra. Austin is... Oh, no, it's Tate. She's awesome.
Dude, I'm like already...
Tate's thawing.
My legs are a little tired.
You take a bite.
This is so fun.
There we go.
Oh, it's so cold. If you're gonna make a hieroglyph, make it look better. Destroy all the hieroglyphs, bro.
Well, you got them. What do you mean you're doing? You be flat on both sides.
That was cool.
Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Read this. I guess they love to talk about the Bible back then.
It's good he's got that desire, you know?
Yeah.
Abby looks like she's,
Abby loves it.
Hey, hold on to that rope. Grab that.
Good job. Hold on to it. You got
Max, 2 hands on the rope, buddy.
here. Good job, Max. Good job. Yeah. Step all the way across into there. Into there. There we go.
chunky.
Very chunky.
Look at that chunky monkey.
Yeah, I know.
What happened to the boys? I don't know.
That's better.
Lean back. Yeah, lean back farther.
The rocks and the ropes just around the rock.
The manicure.
Max, you been in here the whole time?
No.
There's Davis. Go, Matthew. Oh! Ah! You good, Owen? Nice.
Yeah. Oh my. Man, what a rush. You like stopped halfway.
I know, my
Go, Robbie!
my mind halfway down.
Go, Robbie, go! Go, go, Tate!
Like what I did? Change your mind in the...
That last mile was brutal, huh? No? Oh.
That's where that last mile was. That was free.
Good job, guys. Good job. Woo! Way to drift in. How was it? How's everybody else's digging? On your mark. Get set. Go! Rock turned around early. Ooh, that was